Hey guys, it's Casey Jones again, just doing a quick how-to vid on changing your trucks and putting spacers on your deck. Spacers help take the vibration from the deck when you're riding outside, and it stops the board from cracking when you're jumping off curbs and stuff. So yeah, I'll show you how to do that now. Things you will need is a skate tool, or if you haven't got a skate tool, you can use an Allen key or a screwdriver. These bolts, the hardware, my ones are Phillips screwdrivers, if you can see there. It's a bit blurry, but yeah, yeah, there you go. Or the other ones will be an Allen key. So if you haven't got a skate tool, you can use an Allen key, a screwdriver, and you can use a ratchet, or you can use a monkey wrench, the adjustable monkey wrench, to change your trucks and apply the spacers. Okay guys, so let's begin. First of all, you just want to put your either Allen key or screwdriver on that side of the bolt, and then just use your skate tool or wrench or ratchet, and then just twist it until the bolt comes off, like so. And you want to do that to all 4 bolts. And then as soon as you've done all 4 bolts, the truck should just come off of the deck, like so. And then I already got a spacer on there, but I'm just going to take that one off. And then just pop the bolts out, and then apply your new bolts. So that's how your deck should look once you put the new bolts in. And then you just want to find out which way the spacer goes. It'll either go that way or the other way, but mine goes that way. I just want to slide it on, and then just check which way your trucks go. Mine go that way. And then you just want to tighten the bolts back up. And you might just need to move the truck around to make sure it's straight when you're riding, because you don't want to have a crooked truck, because that will suck. And then you just want to just tighten all the 4 bolts, but you don't want to tighten them too much, because if you tighten them too much, that'll crack your deck, and that's not cool. And I will be showing you how to do the other truck as well, because a lot of vids just show you how to don't go into depth with the explanation, so that kind of sucks. And I will be putting up a video on how to change the bushies as well. Some of the bolts might be a little tricky to get on, but you just got to fiddle around with it. It's not hard to change your trucks. You just need to remember where the things go, and then you should be fine. Okay. Oh, that one's already got one on there. Bloody Dave. Oh no, I'm gonna redo that. And it's better to just screw them on with your hands first. What I just realised, so I've just learnt something new. Yeah, screw them on with your hands first to get the bolts in place, instead of trying to screw it in with the bloody tool, and then they keep bloody falling out. So remember, for it to stay straight, I do one at the front. You just want to do it not too tight, and then one at the back. And that's it done, guys. So that's how to replace your trucks. If you like the video, like and subscribe. If you've got any comments, advice, hit them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys.